Okay, so this is working. It always takes me forever to figure out if this is working or not. Um, I so this morning I called the 250 and I was saying I wanted more confirmation, but it just went straight up from there, and it didn't. I wasn't able to catch anything on the way up. Um, I mean, I at this point I kind of want to take a shot at the 500. I missed out on this real bad. I'm kind of annoyed because I wanted the limit order at the 250, which would have been perfect. But I mean I second guessed myself and I was like, oh, let me just do the safer one, which is down here, because in case it comes back down a little bit more and give the bullish divergence a little bit more room to breathe, and because it's not fake and whatever. But I got faked out the opposite way. um, and so all this does is reaffirm that the quarter's edge absolutely holds. I'm just not that good at taking advantage of every single one of these things yet. So right now, if I if I zoom out a little bit, get into the hourly time frame, not necessarily a uptrend or anything like that, but I do see like a rally base rally forming. Hopefully, this actually forms a new high and goes above this 675 level. But I want to I want to take a shot here. And I've been wrestling with, how many shots do I take per day, and how many um, versus all of the shots taken during or at a quarter. So yeah, it's in the afternoon session now, so the market movement is probably going to slow down a little bit, but I'm looking for it to um, for this 500 level to actually hold because of this rally base and then rally, which in 15 minutes this candle will close, and hopefully it closes higher than this rather than below, because that'll be more confident, more of a confluence that the 500 level will hold. So yeah, I'm a little annoyed. I didn't think that the 250 would bounce so strongly, but it does go to show that the major quarters are an edge, and it does hold up really well. It's just I let previous I guess losses bias me against it, because typically my rule is to take the quarter and then the one behind it, but because I already struck out twice and I only had one shot left, I chose the one behind it and I missed. So I'm gonna have to reconcile that. I don't know. Is this just one case, like one outlier case, or should I just take these things no matter what? I kind of have to look at my risk reward ratio and my win rate in order to really justify that. Breaking it down by day, or should I break it down by quarter, right? And disregard the time and just play price. And it's still something I'm still working through, trying to create a more refined, successful trading plan. And that's a little bit of a conflict right now. And I think it's causing a lot of my losses and my missed shots, um, and just getting unlucky, right? Because I'm trying to do both. I'm trying to both keep losses to a minimum, and X number of trades per day, X number of losses per day, and then don't do anything else, versus the infinite nature of the market, and then it's gonna find its quarters, no matter what. Like this is 500 right here, and I didn't catch really. Well, I caught half of it, um, but then I also gave a little bit of it back. So 750 to 250 to the T on this thing, and it's I didn't even profit half of that, so that's not good. You should at least catch the half of the mini trend here that went from one major quarter, cut through the wild card 500 textbook stuff, and then bounced off of the this next major quarter. Is just this bouncing 500. Like this is like textbook quarters trading, going from 750 to 250, and then 750 to 250 again. Right now I'm playing the 500 because I have an edge here with the thing, but bigger picture wise for trade management, I have to figure out if I'm gonna